Welcome! If you're running a restaurant and already use Google Workspace, you're probably looking for a POS system that integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. In this video, we'll explore the best restaurant POS options that work well with Google Workspace, making your daily operations smoother and more efficient. We'll cover integration features, ease of use, and the benefits of connecting your POS to Google's suite of productivity apps. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your business needs. Google Workspace is a powerful suite of tools that many restaurants rely on for communication, scheduling, and document management. If your team already uses Gmail, Google Calendar, Drive, and Docs, choosing a POS that integrates with these tools can save time and reduce errors. Integration means your POS can sync schedules, share reports, and even automate emails, all within the familiar Google environment. This compatibility streamlines your workflow and keeps your team connected. When evaluating POS systems for your restaurant, it's important to look for integration features that connect directly with Google Workspace. This includes syncing staff schedules with Google Calendar, exporting sales reports to Google Sheets, and storing important documents in Google Drive. Some POS systems even allow you to automate notifications through Gmail, making communication with your team faster and more reliable. Let's look at which POS systems offer these capabilities. Square POS is a popular choice for restaurants, known for its user-friendly interface and robust integration options. Square offers direct integration with Google Workspace, allowing you to export sales data to Google Sheets, sync staff schedules with Google Calendar, and store receipts or reports in Google Drive. Its cloud-based system ensures your data is always accessible, and the integration helps you keep everything organized within your existing Google environment. With Square POS, you benefit from seamless integration with Google Workspace. This means less manual data entry and more time focusing on your customers. Square's intuitive dashboard makes it easy to track sales, manage inventory, and communicate with your team. The ability to export reports directly to Google Sheets and schedule shifts through Google Calendar simplifies your workflow, making Square a top contender for Google Workspace users. Toast POS is another leading option for restaurants, especially those looking for advanced features and integrations. Toast offers integrations with Google Workspace through third-party apps and APIs. You can sync sales data to Google Sheets, share schedules via Google Calendar, and use Google Drive for document storage. Toast's flexibility and scalability make it a strong choice for growing restaurants that want to stay connected with Google tools. Toast POS stands out for its customization and integration capabilities. By connecting Toast with Google Workspace, you can automate many administrative tasks, such as sending sales summaries to Google Sheets or updating staff schedules in Google Calendar. This reduces the risk of errors and ensures your team always has access to the latest information. Toast's robust reporting tools and integration flexibility make it ideal for restaurants that want to leverage Google's productivity suite. Lightspeed POS is known for its advanced features and integration options. It offers direct and third-party integrations with Google Workspace, allowing you to export data to Google Sheets, sync events with Google Calendar, and store files in Google Drive. Lightspeed's cloud-based platform ensures that your restaurant's data is always up to date and accessible from anywhere, making it a great fit for tech-savvy restaurant owners. Lightspeed POS offers a comprehensive suite of tools for restaurant management. Its integration with Google Workspace means you can automate data exports, streamline scheduling, and keep all your important documents organized in Google Drive. Lightspeed's intuitive interface and powerful analytics help you make informed decisions, while its integration capabilities ensure your team stays connected and productive. While Square, Toast, and Lightspeed are top choices, there are other POS systems that offer Google Workspace integration. Systems like Clover and Upserve provide varying levels of compatibility, often through third-party apps or custom APIs. When considering these options, it's important to evaluate the depth of integration and how well they fit your restaurant's specific needs. Let's briefly look at what these alternatives offer. Clover POS is a flexible system that supports integration with Google Workspace through third-party apps. You can connect Clover to Google Sheets for reporting, use Google Calendar for scheduling, and store documents in Google Drive. While the integration may require some setup, Clover's app marketplace offers a range of tools to help you connect your POS with Google's productivity suite. Upserve POS is designed for restaurants that want detailed analytics and integration options. With Upserve, you can use third-party connectors to sync data with Google Sheets, manage schedules in Google Calendar, and organize files in Google Drive. Upserve's focus on analytics and reporting makes it a strong choice for restaurants that want to leverage Google Workspace for deeper insights and streamlined operations. POS systems integrate with Google Workspace in several ways. Some offer direct, built-in integrations, while others rely on third-party apps or APIs. Direct integration is usually easier to set up and maintain, while third-party solutions offer more customization. When choosing a POS, consider how you want to connect your data and which method best fits your restaurant's workflow. Direct integration means the POS system has built-in support for Google Workspace tools. This allows for seamless data transfer, automatic syncing, and minimal setup. For example, Square's direct integration lets you export sales data to Google Sheets with a single click. This approach is ideal for restaurants that want a hassle-free experience and reliable connectivity between their POS and Google Workspace. Third-party integration involves using external apps or connectors to link your POS with Google Workspace. This method offers more flexibility and customization, allowing you to tailor the integration to your specific needs. However, it may require more setup and ongoing maintenance. Toast and Lightspeed, for example, use third-party apps to connect with Google Sheets and Calendar, giving you more control over how data is shared and managed. APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, allow for advanced integration between your POS and Google Workspace. With APIs, you can automate complex workflows, such as syncing inventory data or generating custom reports in Google Sheets. This approach is best for restaurants with technical resources or those working with IT professionals who can set up and maintain the integration. One of the most valuable integrations is with Google Sheets. By exporting sales, inventory, and staff data directly to Sheets, you can analyze trends, create custom reports, and share insights with your team. Many POS systems offer one-click exports or automated syncing, making it easy to keep your data up to date and accessible from anywhere. Integrating your POS with Google Calendar streamlines staff scheduling and event planning. You can automatically sync shift schedules, reservations, and special events, ensuring everyone stays informed. This reduces scheduling conflicts and helps your team manage their time more effectively, all within the Google tools they already use. Google Drive integration allows you to store important documents, receipts, and reports securely in the cloud. With POS systems that support Drive, you can organize files by date, type, or staff member, making it easy to find what you need. This also ensures your data is backed up and accessible from any device, providing peace of mind for busy restaurant managers. Some POS systems integrate with Gmail to send automated email notifications. This can include daily sales summaries, low inventory alerts, or staff reminders. Automating these communications saves time and ensures your team stays informed without manual effort. It's a simple but powerful way to keep everyone on the same page using tools they already know. Seamless integration between your POS and Google Workspace brings many benefits. It reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and saves valuable time. Your team can access real-time data, collaborate more effectively, and respond quickly to changes. This level of connectivity helps your restaurant run more smoothly and supports better decision-making. When choosing a POS system for your restaurant, consider your current workflow, team size, and technical resources. Think about which Google Workspace tools you use most and how you want your POS to interact with them. Evaluate the integration options, setup process, and ongoing support to ensure a smooth transition and long-term success. Cost is an important factor when selecting a POS system. Some POS providers include Google Workspace integration in their standard packages, while others may charge extra for advanced features or third-party connectors. Be sure to compare pricing, including any setup or subscription fees, to find a solution that fits your budget and delivers the integration you need. Setting up your POS system with Google Workspace integration should be straightforward. Most providers offer step-by-step guides, video tutorials, or dedicated support teams to help you get started. Make sure to allocate time for training your staff and testing the integration to ensure everything works smoothly before going live. Ongoing support is crucial for maintaining your POS and Google Workspace integration. Look for providers that offer responsive customer service, regular updates, and a knowledge base or community forum. This ensures you can quickly resolve any issues and keep your restaurant running smoothly. Security is a top priority when integrating your POS with Google Workspace. Ensure your POS provider uses encryption, secure authentication, and regular security updates. Google Workspace also offers robust security features, so combining these systems can help protect your restaurant's data and customer information. Many modern POS systems offer mobile apps that integrate with Google Workspace. This allows you to manage your restaurant, check sales, and communicate with your team from anywhere. Mobile access is especially useful for managers who are often on the move and need real-time updates. Cloud-based POS systems are ideal for Google Workspace users. They offer automatic backups, remote access, and easy integration with cloud tools like Google Drive and Sheets. Cloud solutions ensure your data is always safe. up-to-date, and accessible from any device, supporting the flexibility modern restaurants need. As your restaurant grows, your POS system should scale with you. Look for systems that offer flexible integration options, support multiple locations, and can handle increasing data volumes. Google Workspace integration helps you manage growth by keeping your operations organized and your team connected, no matter how large your business becomes. With the right POS and Google Workspace integration, you can automate custom workflows. For example, you might set up automatic sales reports to be sent to your accountant every week, or trigger inventory alerts when stock runs low. These automations save time and ensure important tasks are never overlooked. Google Workspace integration enhances staff collaboration. With shared calendars, documents, and communication tools, your team can coordinate schedules, share updates, and work together more effectively. POS systems that support these features help foster a collaborative and productive restaurant environment. Integrating your POS with Google Workspace can also improve the customer experience. Automated reservation confirmations, personalized emails, and efficient scheduling all contribute to smoother service. When your team is organized and informed, customers notice the difference in speed and quality of service. POS systems that integrate with Google Workspace make it easier to analyze your restaurant's performance. By exporting data to Google Sheets, you can create custom dashboards, track key metrics, and identify trends. This empowers you to make data-driven decisions that improve your restaurant's profitability and efficiency. Managing inventory is easier when your POS integrates with Google Workspace. You can track stock levels in Google Sheets, set up automated reorder alerts, and share inventory reports with your team. This helps prevent stockouts, reduces waste, and keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Reservation management becomes more efficient with POS and Google Calendar integration. You can automatically add reservations to your calendar, send confirmations to guests, and update your team in real time. This reduces double bookings and ensures a smooth dining experience for your customers. Accurate reporting is essential for compliance and business analysis. POS systems that integrate with Google Workspace allow you to generate, store, and share reports easily. This helps you stay compliant with regulations, track financial performance, and prepare for audits with confidence. Some POS systems offer marketing tools that integrate with Google Workspace. You can use Gmail for email campaigns, Google Sheets for tracking results, and Google Drive for storing marketing materials. This integration helps you reach more customers and measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Let's look at a real-world example. A small cafe using Google Workspace chose Square POS for its direct integration. The cafe's manager exports daily sales to Google Sheets, schedules staff shifts in Google Calendar, and stores invoices in Google Drive. This setup saves time, reduces paperwork, and keeps the team organized, allowing the cafe to focus on delivering great service. A growing restaurant with multiple locations opted for Toast POS, leveraging its third-party integration with Google Workspace. The restaurant syncs sales data to Google Sheets, manages multi-location schedules in Google Calendar, and uses Google Drive for centralized document storage. This integration supports the restaurant's expansion and keeps operations running smoothly across all locations. A fine dining restaurant chose Lightspeed POS for its advanced analytics and integration with Google Workspace. The management team uses Google Sheets for detailed financial analysis, Google Calendar for event planning, and Google Drive for secure document storage. This setup provides the insights and organization needed to deliver a premium dining experience. The future of restaurant POS and Google Workspace integration looks promising. As technology evolves, we can expect even deeper integration, more automation, and smarter analytics. Restaurants will benefit from AI-driven insights, predictive scheduling, and enhanced customer engagement, all powered by seamless connectivity between POS systems and Google's productivity tools. Despite the benefits, integrating POS systems with Google Workspace can present challenges. These may include compatibility issues, setup complexity, or ongoing maintenance. It's important to work with providers who offer strong support and clear documentation to overcome these hurdles and ensure a successful integration. To ensure a smooth integration, start by mapping out your workflow and identifying which Google Workspace tools you use most. Test the integration in a controlled environment before rolling it out to your entire team. Provide training and resources to staff, and establish a process for ongoing support and troubleshooting. In summary, the best restaurant POS for Google Workspace users depends on your specific needs, but Square, Toast, and Lightspeed are top contenders. Each offers strong integration options, user-friendly interfaces, and robust support. Consider your workflow, budget, and technical resources when making your choice, and prioritize seamless integration for maximum efficiency. Choosing the right POS system is a big decision for any restaurant, especially if you're already invested in Google Workspace. By focusing on integration, ease of use, and support, you can find a solution that streamlines your operations and helps your business thrive. Thanks for watching, and best of luck finding the perfect POS for your restaurant.